So guys, if you followed the last video, I soaked the on-off switch with some cleaner and also touched up the speaker by adding a surround on a temporary basis. Again, this is the one that I used, a piece of paper. Didn't have a surround in place. You can see in the pictures what an ugly loudspeaker this is now. It's playing and sounding a little bit better. This thing will never be high quality anyway.
Get this wedding. Speak now or forever hold your peace. And so if you were at the wedding and you are silent, your silence is giving consent to the wedding. So,
glorified it, and I will glorify it again. What is the main bottom?
When it's accused of a crime and they do not deny it, a jury can reasonably assume that they're guilty.
But again, it is sounding better. I'll place this thing back on the bench at a later time. At least that's my plans. I appreciate you guys watching. Everyone out there, stay well.